Hello, God creatures. Welcome to my channel. I'm Frances Case Jones for those who are new. This video is not about workouts, even though I'm working out and I look good working out too. I'm doing a little something over there. But anyhow, this video is about meal prep. So I actually been training for a bodybuilding contest. This is my first time ever doing it. I decided to do something that would challenge me. I decided to challenge myself. And I feel like bodybuilding competition would definitely challenge me because my big thing is food. I love food. I love food. And this been so far a lot of dollar challenge, especially the food. I hate what I eat. But I just want to show you a little bit of something, what I eat so you can see. So it has to be carbs, protein, and veggies. As you can see, that's a chicken, no sauce, y'all. You can put, and my coach, you can put any sauce on it, and you can eat sweet potato or white rice for now, and any vegetables that is green. You cannot eat carrot because it's not green vegetables. I guess he said it has a couple of calories or something, but only green vegetables. It been a struggle, but I've been doing it. So let's go through the process. This is the chicken breast and chicken thigh mixed together. I season it already, like a simple seasoning, not too much. I use this, the perfect seasoning, that's what it's called. Ground black pepper and Goya. So these are the three things I used to season uh, the chicken. So now I'm gonna bake it. I'm gonna bake the chicken in the oven, 350, very low, because obviously I don't want it to dry out. Okay, y'all, before we forget or go any further, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, guys. I'm gonna keep saying this over and over because my goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I know you guys can do it. It's that simple. For those who are new, please hit that subscribe button. You get all the notification once I post a new video, okay? And those who have been watching and haven't subscribed yet, it's very easy, very simple. Just hit the subscribe button, please, please. I don't want to be annoying and keep asking, but I have to be because I need 1,000 subscribers, okay? And those who have been watching and have subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate all of you guys, all of you. But I appreciate you more once you subscribe. Thank you guys. Normally, I will put salt on my sweet potato, but I'm trying to minimize the amount of sodium I eat, so I'm not putting any salt because it's sweet by itself anyways. Yep, I use a lot of foil paper because I love to wrap them individually. Most people put it in the baking pan, everything together and cover it up, but I prefer it this way. I don't know why, I just feel like it's better this way. Potatoes, sweet potatoes, chicken on there, and vegetable is on low in the middle because it's just gonna steam up, and then it's ready. That's about it. So basically, the veggies are ready. That's how simple I like it. Steam, nice, done. The chicken is ready. Yep, all that water is from the chicken. So that's how much water the chicken holds. And don't mind it being white. Yep. Again, as I stated, we don't eat sauce. We don't eat too much seasoning, so it looks so sad and white. Oh, but that's what we have to eat.